Here's a parcel of potch and colour from Lightning Ridge, Australia, rules and millimetres. Some of this borders on knobby material and some of it looks closer to seam. Material's been wetted. I'll just go in a bit closer. Okay, I've gone in a bit closer. First piece, bit of blue on the top, and greens there. Skinny stone. Something like this makes nice pendants just the way it is. Cut and polish it rather than trying to cut a gemstone out of it. Thin lines of colour in that one. Or potch rather, on the right hand side there. Again, just don't try to cut gemstones out of it because it's not gemstone material. Not make nice pendants the way it is. Just shaped up and polished. Double colour bar there, blue on the top and green on the bottom. Different piece. Porcelain white. Anyway, there's a few more pieces to look at. A couple of these don't look like they've got much in it. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.